Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are on the second part of this M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, another video review. The first video, we have the unboxing and checking out its features as well as its specs. Okay, particularly the design. This time we're going to check on the menus here, okay, the UI of the smartwatch. So let's check it out. Again, this is the M26 Plus smartwatch, okay, with a wireless charging feature. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we have the time. Okay, so we have here the instruction manuals. So we have here the features here. Very small, but anyway, we can still at least read it. Okay, so we have here the details. Okay, so we have music control, stopwatch, okay, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's check if it's really existing. Okay, so again, let's turn on the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, okay, the wallpaper. I guess this is from the Thor movie. Okay, so let's check. So scrolling from up to down, we have the settings here, the basic settings. We have, let me see, the display here. Okay, Bluetooth. We have screen off time. Let's change it. We have 15 seconds. Okay, raise your wrist to bright up the screen. We have here, this is on the settings. You also have here the dimming control settings. Okay, do not disturb mode, sound and vibration. So we have a built-in speaker. We have the language settings here. Okay, also have the password, reboot, restore, and shutdown. Okay, again, so that is for from the up to down access. Okay, here, so we have here the watch faces. We have Pikachu, we have analog, we have digital watch faces here. We have a watch face similar to one of the GTS design. Okay, so let's try to pick this one. Okay, so okay, Mario. And okay, from this one, pressing the crown button here, you can use it to zoom and zoom in and zoom out. We have the basic menu here. We have a calculator here. Okay, go back. What else? We have the weather. We have the sports mode here. Okay, so let's check. Okay, try to check. Outdoor running. We have the outdoor cycling. We have the sit up here, on foot, mountaineering, and what are the other sports here? So let's check. So the other sports here, I think it's just monitoring the steps, calories, and the blood pressure. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, and going back, we also have the message here, sleep monitoring, weather, breathing guide, heart rate. I think this is the heart rate. See, is it? Yes, it's working. Okay, let's check. Let's try. Is it monitoring or not? Okay, let's see if we'll have a result. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so we have, it's working. How about the blood pressure here? So it is counting, monitoring the blood pressure. Okay, this is systolic and diastolic. Let's wait. Okay, taking some time. So we have here 120/70 something or over 80. Okay, So seems it's okay. Seems like it's working. We'll see if we check it with the proper blood pressure monitoring, and we'll compare it. Okay, later on. Okay, here, what else? Okay, from up or from down to up, we have the message notifications. Again, wallpaper on this section. I hope we have an option for different menus. Do we have an option for that? We'll see as we go on with our discovery of its features and menus. Okay, how about this one? What's this? Consume activity. So we have here the graphs and stats for your automatic activity tracking. We also have the SOS. I think the smartwatch do have a support for blood pressure. Okay, I mean blood oxygen. We also have here the sound and the vibration. You can set it. Okay, we also have the sleep monitoring. What's this? Okay, so this is the blood oxygen monitoring. So let's check. We'll see. Okay, let's try. Is it working? So it may take some time. We have, okay, so I think it's normal. We have a good blood oxygen input here. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, timer information. We have M26 plus version. Okay, settings, go back to settings, language, vibration, password. Okay, so these are the menus included in the M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so far the UI is very responsive here. Okay, you also have a Bluetooth music control. We have a lot of options. What else? We also have here an SOS. I think this is connected to your smartphone. Breathing guide. Also have or breathing exercises. We have a sleep monitoring here. Automatically detects or automatically monitor your sleep. What's this one? So this is the graphs and stats for your blood pressure, 1 week monitoring. And we have the QR code for the support app if you want to install the app. We also have the camera control. We also have the stopwatch here. And that's it. I think more options. There's a lot of options available in the support app. So far, these are the menus of the M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, if you want to get one, we have the link below. Okay, so very affordable Series 6 smartwatch. On our next video, we're going to show you on how to install the Wear Fit Pro app in the Android platform. So watch out for it. Let's see if the smartwatch will work or if it will connect with our smartphone with the Wear Fit Pro support app. We'll see it. We'll check. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we have the time. Bye.